2 o'clock, Montgomery, Massachusetts. Tiny town just west of Westfield. It's beautiful here. August 15, 2025. M425. Origin Westfield. Excuse me. Origin West Springfield. Destination Selkirk Yard, New York. Another monster. Probably most of it is demolition. 450 axles. And he sees me. Yep, demolition. Loads. Grade is uphill here, but you never know it. Track speed. What a stench. Empty propane. Loads of granite from Vermont. Empty soybeans. Loads of nuked materials. It's not nuclear, it's nuked from Vernon, Vermont. We saw them earlier in the week. Loads of demolition. Empty plastics. Empty center beams. Empty propane. More empty center beams. Loads of demolition as the Berkshires slow him down. Empty UN 1951 argon. Loads of scrap metal. UN 1814. Swill loads. Empty coil steel. There you are, Jill. Loads of demolition as the Berkshires apply their gravity force.